This is a video demonstration of our ODLX600 IR100 L49. This is a Bandol Dome camera, and I'm going to be showing you what it comes inside the box. This camera has a 4 to 9 millimeter varifocal lens. It's a Super Hat 2 Sony CCD. It has it's a new design, completely new design. It has an easy mount right now, and it becomes one of the easiest cameras in the market to mount it and then maneuver if you need to configure something on the camera. As you see, you have this mount, this type of mount right now. You have this bracket right here. This is what it holds the camera. So basically, you can mount the camera right away and then move the camera and position the camera as you want it. So you can mount it with 2 screws right here, and this 2 screws right here is to move the camera and position the camera. Also, this is an indoor and outdoor. As you see, you will see the zoom and focus configurations right here, or the knobs for you to configure the zoom and focus. Here you will see the IRs and the sensor. Also, this camera, as you see, it has an on-screen display, so you basically hold this for 2 or 3 seconds, and the OSD will come up, and then you configure things like WDR, white balance, brightness of the picture, sharpness of the picture, and so on. There's a lot of features there that you can configure, and it's a great camera. Also, you will find the user's manual that it shows you some of the features of the OSD, and it comes also with the screw mounts. If you need to use the screw mounts, it's already included on the box. It's a 12-volt camera. It's a great camera, indoor and outdoor, and it's available on our website. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.